Hi Pat, how are you? Okay, so this is the explanation of the master file. Okay, so here you can find like all the basic information about all the people of the study. I left these two columns if you want to put some more information like the position, mobile number. But if you don't want to, we can just take out these columns and put something else. It depends on you. Okay, so here I already insert all the data of everyone. So here's the Belbin test, the cognitive self-assessment, and the other three. Okay, the emotional intelligence and the other three of leadership styles. So yeah, it's done. One thing that I wanted to tell you is that I included these filters in order that if you want to analyze this data like more deeply or show them like in a more specific way, it's very useful actually. So for example, if you want to know who got the highest scores on plant, you just have to go to this filter and arrange it in order that to see who got the highest in plant. So here we see like Rebecca Appleton, then Anna Mary Graham, and so on. And here you can see that these people, well, it effectively ordered in the plant order of importance, but we noticed that no one got like very high marks, very high scores on plant. So that's why no one has like plant as a primary. But yeah, but here it is. But for example, team worker, there are a lot of good team workers in this group. We can see here, sorry, here it is. So yeah, team worker, and for example these two, they got even though they got higher team worker than these ones, they got even higher completer finisher. So yeah, you can analyze the data in the way that you prefer. Some other thing that I included here, you can just pick the people if you want to analyze like smaller groups. So for example, you want to analyze these four: Mary Graham, Belinda Aston, Caitlin McRae, and Claudine Evans. You just pick them. The only thing, just take into account that you will have to pick them here as well, because there's no way to link these two tables, because this table is taking information of the other table, so they have to be independent. Okay. That said, you can analyze the information. You just have to filter this information here. So we just leave these four people. We can analyze them, and you can see like all the scores of the average. So to know what is the team characteristics of these four people. So we know that here, for example, implementer got the highest score here, coordinator and completer finisher after that. So yeah, if you have any questions about the filters or you have problems, yeah, just let me know and I'll clarify. I can help you with that. Here as well is it's pretty much the same thing. You can rank this in the way you want. For example, here in the T feature, and this table, when you filter here, it filters here the same way that the other one. It's just that if you want to just pick one by one, you will have to do it in both. And here, okay, so yeah, for example, you just want to know who are the people who got these profiles. So yeah, you can do it like that, or you just want to pay attention to the people that are the E. Is what is yeah, extraversion, sorry. Yeah, so yeah. Just use the filters in the way that you think is gonna be useful for you. And here is pretty much the same thing, so you can use the filters as many times as you want. If you just select, like for example these four, so this graph is going to focus only on those four people you left. So I think that's pretty useful as well, in order to don't have this very huge graph. If you want to compare, for for example, here, if you want to compare Vicky Blaus with Katie Griffin, so it's not very useful, this graph, because there are so many people between them. But so I said Vicky Blaus, but if you just filter here, Vicky Blaus, and who did I say? Yeah, Combs, Lisa Combs. There you go. You can compare these two. They are now in the same graph, just the two of them. So yeah. And with this is the same thing. These three tables work in the same, tables and graphs work in the same way. So okay, this is it. So there's another thing that I did in this file, is in that sheet, in this individual. So well, I noticed that here is like more like a group analysis, but I thought that if you maybe wanted to just have like more personalized sessions with each of the members of the team, or know more about them, but as individuals, I create this sheet. The name is individual, so you just have to choose whoever you want to analyze. So in this case, I don't know, Belinda Aston. You just pick her name, and here is going to show all the results of the well-being test. These graphs are also using the same colors as we have been using before. This one, well, the test results, authentic leadership, leader practice, psych-up. And I also did that in a way that if you want to print it, it's going to fit on a A4 paper. So I print this for Rebecca Phelps. And well, yeah, well, and it's really easy. You just have to there's two ways. You can save it as a PDF, and it's going to as a PDF, and so trial 2, and there we have the Belinda Aston Hoy scores. Or you can just print it and print it as a PDF, and you will get the same result. Yep, well, that's it. Just before I finish this video, I just wanted to tell you a few comments. So Rebecca Appleton, well, let's start with Irna Kosting. She didn't fill this, she left these answers like blank, so I don't know why if she did it on purpose or what, but just to let you know that from 18 to 21 these are in blank. I didn't know why. And also this mistake that you told me about it, of this cell, the D25, that was here, of course, was like the wrong sheet, was authentic leadership, whereas it had to be leadership. I already fixed it for everyone, so now the scores are like correct. Okay. But yeah, just take notice that Irna Kosting left these all those answers unanswered. And and the other thing I wanted to tell you is that Rebecca Appleton, she sent 2 well-being questionnaires, and she explains that she realized that she wanted to choose more than the 3 options that she had to. So in one version she picked like more than 3, and on the other one she only picks 3, but she got pretty much the same results. So for the purpose of this file, I use like the one that she uses 3, but just let me know if you want to change it, and I can just use this information instead. But the problem with her is that she didn't send the cognitive test. So yeah, that's the only. I actually put some information about her here, here in this. Yeah, Rebecca here, but it's not her information. I just copied the one from Pamela Salvo, because yeah, this should be in blank. Okay, so okay, that it was the explanation of this file. Just let me know if you have any questions, and I hope I hope it's what you were wanting to see. Bye.